Welcome to Chase Mind. Time to cook, time to cook, time to cook. Cook what? Le shawarma. The only thing with this shawarma thing is that I don't have a pressing grill, so I might have to use the oven, or I'll just eat it like that. I'm watching Top Boy. Everyone has been talking about Top Boy. Let me watch it. So I just skinned my chicken. Time to add the spices. Let me put this camera here so you guys can see my face and I can lift it up. Oh, I have to cut onions. Ugh. You know how much I hate. I don't hate, but I don't want to cry for you guys. I haven't cooked in like a week, so I low-key feel like I don't even know what I'm cooking, what I'm meant to cook. I mean, that kind of situation. Where are my manners? I ought to show you guys what I am using. So I'm using normal mayo, then I'm going to use chili mayo, then we have the chicken, cabbage, onions to cook the chicken, pepper to cook the chicken, salt to cook the chicken, another pepper just to make sure it's actually pepperish, and cube. Oh, then I don't even know if I want to fry my chicken or I should just leave it like that. We have the frankfurt and the wrap. This is not like the normal shawarma wrap, but we can make do, you know? Not a big deal. Oh, I forgot to say salt. Salt, babe. Yeah, let's do this. Time to cut. Do you hear that? Oh my god. Cut these onions. It's gonna make me cry. The big girls don't cry. I'm not gonna cry on here for y'all, because I'm a big girl and I don't cry. So I don't want to be having unnecessary footage. So I'ma holla when I'm done. Okay? Okay. So guys, you have to use part of the chicken sauce, and this is a mixture of mayo and peri mayo, peppered mayo, chicken that has been put in the oven with cabbage, pepper, you can see sausage, frankfurters, and then part of the cabbage. My only problem now is trying to see how I can grill this a little bit to put it in the oven so that the body can be hard. You get me? So let's see how we're going to do that. This is like a failed attempt, so I tried, guys. This one is covered and good. This one this one just opened up, but it is fine. Our shawarma is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.